Hello again. I'm on a walk and talk, and this is one of my favorite places. It's just so peaceful here and quiet, and you could hear the birds. You could hear the crickets. I'm passing a birdhouse. Look, there's a birdhouse. This is what I see. Sometimes you can, let's get a close-up of a Queen Anne's lace. Queen Anne's lace, it reminds me of like a doily or lace, you know? I think my roots are in horticulture. I've always loved horticulture and learning about gardening. And yeah, so I just thought I would take you guys on a walk. There's a little path here. I've allowed several songs to come through here while being in here on my channel, and I'm very grateful for this place. It is a local nature preserve. There's another birdhouse. Wonder if hummingbirds come through here. My hips were bothering me, so I was like, let me go for a walk and like straighten myself out. And actually, it's helping a lot. Movement is so important every day, you know, for our health and well-being. I just love bird songs so much. I have walked here with several friends, but it's just so nice to just be with myself. It's just lots of green. I've jogged in here before. Here's another birdhouse. But a lot of people come here, and it's a magical place. So, we never know what lies ahead in the unknown. They say practice and all is coming. And to be here now. I'm gonna come here more often. I always say it. I gotta bring my husband here. We gotta walk. My friend likes to come here when the sun goes down, or like as the sun's going down. Wow, it's so nice in here. One time when I was walking with my friend Serendipitous Stacy, we saw a praying mantis. And then we met the author's sister of the book, The Forest Fairy. And I'm all about fairies. And if any of you are, please chime in. The book was written about the fairy forest, which is in Patchogue, which is very close to us. And it was a synchronicity, and so when the library was smaller and it was across the street from the deli from this nature preserve, I literally went into the library and I said, "Hey, do you have the Forest Fairy?" She goes, the really nice woman, she goes, "I think it's in the children's section." So I literally was in the children's section for like a half hour straight looking for this book, and I found it. And you know that good feeling when you're looking for a book and then you find the book and then it just clicks. And then I must have dreamt of fairies for 2 weeks straight, and it's magical, and I feel like we need that magic and we need that joy and, you know, expression. And I've always loved fairies. Another one of my favorite fairy books is In the Kingdom of the Fairies. That's another one. So the first one is The Forest Fairy. Don't remember the author, but and the second one is In the Kingdom of the Fairies, and it's just so well written and just so good. Look, here's Queen Anne's lace again, like. So right now we're in summer on Long Island, New York. And so, you know, summer is like 3 months. Right now we're in mid-July. We're in mid-July right now, so it's nice to document these. Yeah, so when I was walking with my friend Serendipitous Stacy, a really, really wonderful friend, we have to go for a walk and talk again. We encountered a praying mantis, and so those are rare, and that, you know, they're really, really special gifts from God. God is in nature, nature is in God. They do a lot of good things here. I've been aware that they honor a child who died from either leukemia or cancer, and so the school they each, you know, pay for a square of the pavement, and they paint something. And one day I was biking home from work, and I was biking through, and it was just so cool to like see this like expansive story of, you know, like the sidewalk chalk, and it was just so nice. I was in awe, you know. It's like these unexpected things, you know. It's nice. These little birds. They might be sparrows. This is where you can... Kindness Rock Project. We've designed these rocks just for you. If you find one that speaks to you, we hope you will bring home. If you feel inspired to create some of your own, we would love for you to leave them here for others. It's about kindness. Kindness is contagious. Take one, leave one, give one. I'm not going to take one right now. But, look, there's a cross, and then there's one that says smile on it. Isn't that sweet? And this is the path. Wow, I really, really needed this to rejuvenate my nervous system. And it kind of feels like these pockets, like it's a pocket of relaxation.